Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Smart Collections Plus. In this video, check out an adorable collection of baby boy shoe and sandals perfect for little feet. From casual sneakers to stylish sandals, we have curated a range of comfortable and trendy footwear for every occasion. Explore designs featuring vibrant colors, playful patterns, and soft materials to keep your baby boy looking cute and feeling cozy. Ideal for toddlers aged 1 to 3 years. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby fashion collection and ideas. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching and